Free up your time? Want to know how? With the Roborock Q8 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop, now you can. It has DuoRoller brushes and a powerful 5500 PA extreme suction motor and LiDAR navigation for obstacle avoidance. That's how.
It's so easy to operate, even seniors can set it up and use it.
So whether you want to save time or just want a super clean home or office, or you just plain hate cleaning over and over, the Q8 is an amazing robot vac. And this model has a super small base and charging station, so it doesn't take up a lot of floor space either. And it's so modern looking too. It vacuums and mops quietly too.
You can see the floor is wet. It's mopping and vacuuming at the same time.
You can just scan the QR code and download the great app. It's super easy to use and to set up too. Anyone can do it, and you'll be cleaning your floors and carpets simultaneously in no time at all. The runtime is 240 minutes, covering a maximum of 3,230 square feet with a 470 milliliter dustbin capacity and 350 milliliter water tank capacity too. And you'll absolutely love the flexibility in the app. The first thing you have to do is download the app and choose Map Your Location. Then simply fill the water tank for mopping.
Dustbin and water tank combo unit removed.
Dustbin and water tank.
Dustbin and water tank combo unit installed.
This unit talks you through every move. You'll know what it's doing all the time. Once you've filled the water bin, then just charge the unit and you're ready to go.
And there we go. It's mopping and vacuuming at the same time, leaving almost no water residue.
It'll roll over carpets and floors. And you don't have to pick up items up off the floor prior to cleaning, as the reactive tech obstacle avoidance detects and avoids objects on the floor super easy.
Great avoidance technology. Amazing.
The DuoRoller brush is a great improvement versus other robots, ensuring great cleaning. And you'll have less hair tangles as it cleans easily. You can also set up no-go zones and customize your cleaning. Suction power, water flow, more water, less water. We love to use this unit right after meals for quick cleaning. The wife is a bit messy when it comes to cooking. Don't tell her I said that, please. I send the robot around the kitchen after meals. Oh, and if you have Alexa, Google Home, or Siri shortcuts, you can give it voice commands. And if you have pets or small children, there is a child lock. Just push the button and it'll prevent mishaps. I've had other robots in the past, but this one is a home run. You'll absolutely love it. To get yours, click in the description to get a 5% exclusive discount. And you'll see plenty of other items available too from eBay and enjoy a 20% discount. So, happy shopping! Until next time, I'm Frank George, here to help you save time and money with the Roborock Q8 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop.
Amazing avoidance technology. Again, you don't have to prepare the rooms as it goes around anything that will be in the way on the floor. It's mopping as it goes, just leaving a slight trace of water afterwards.